Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure and subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.
So from here on out, we're playing some big, full grooves and some builds. So when we come into the interlude, we're playing a groove, kick, snare, and crashing on the ride. So I'm going to play that for you. So I'm going to slow that down for you. Pretty simple. So from here we're going to the first of the last two choruses. And through that chorus, we have two different builds that we're doing. So the first one would be this. I'm going to play it for you. So we're building with 8th notes on the kick and 16th notes with the snare and the ride. Towards the end of that, we're doing this off hit going into the 1. So I'm going to play that even slower for you. Now I'm going to play it even slower for you.